An alert here, a sell line here, and we did see well, here's two arrows. So we should be able to
Order
get
filled.
some money off of this trade right here. Quite a bit of distance to the blue line. We are looking at Ultimate AI Pro. This is the 1 minute pre-market candles. West Coast time. I do put my phone number on here somewhere. It's for text messaging only. Shoot me a message if you have a question. Check out the website. That's also right on this screen. Answer any questions you have. Goal for today is $1,000. Stick around to see if I can make my goal. All right, I got my stop in there because we do have an up move this morning,
Stop filled.
and that didn't amount to too much there
Order submitted.
because I was
Order
stopped out.
filled.
Moved my stop a little early and got stopped out. It turned out to be a nice move, and I did not catching all of it. Probably going to happen again, but I'll take a lot of stop outs and break evens to get that one runner, is the game plan. Expect a little bounce off this EMA right here. This is Ultimate AI Pro we're looking at right now. I do have a bar timer down here. You can see where I cut the recording and start it back up again, so you can look right here. Try to keep the boring parts out. Right, turning out to be a pretty good signal. I did get stopped out and got back in at a less than perfect area, but I'll take this large move here. How do I know it's going to be a big move? It's far away from the EMA. It's big gap right here. It wants to close the gap, and I have beautiful signals going on. And if you like this kind of thing, subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment. Man, I love when the first trade of the day is just a big winner. It's just the best. Hopefully, this can be a one and done for me this morning.
Stop
All
filled.
right, what we get? 755. The stop out here. Nice move. What a great signal. Let's see what else we can get. If you like this sort of thing, like and subscribe. Check the links in the description. I'll show you how to try one of my indicators free. Stick around till the end. Wow, price still tanking. Great signal here. And if I got here a little earlier in the morning, I could have taken this up and then down and then just been done for the day. Remember, you only want to trade a few trades a day, a few wins a day, and be done. Go and do some zero DTE options. I do have an options course if you want to get into that as well. Get some quick scalping done here, and then go do something else. I don't do this all day long. Do have an alert here, and my buy is already on the buy line. Now, they don't always happen at the same location. So I like it when I get both those signals together. Erratic movie on this candle and this candle, a little bit of erratic springiness.
Order filled.
Don't like all the springiness. Really don't like how it's moving right now. I might just have to get out. See that? It looked really good when I first got in. Now it's just dragging. There we go. Let's play it safe. It's really erratic.
Stop filled.
I'll just do that for now. I got this EMA right here. I don't like all the up and down. Now,
Order
could still be a
submitted.
good trade. Let's say if it breaks out of here, the signal candle, but most likely it's going to come down here.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
This red line come up, bounce here, you get the red line. I mean, I don't know that for sure. It could happen. Price ended up going higher after that arrow. We got out early, and I haven't taken anything since. Still waiting for something to happen or a new signal. There's a sell line right here.
Order filled.
All right, let's see if price makes it down to what the just happened. Yeah,
Order
ah,
submitted.
stopped out.
Order filled.
But it looked like it was working out really well, and then it just totally went against me really quickly. I'm not even sure I should be getting back in on this one. Looked to start out really well. Now this doesn't look good. We have multiple sell signals right on the line here, which makes me nervous. See that erratic movement? I don't like that erratic movement like that. Just be ready to get out. That movement means it's ready to take off in one direction or another. Be ready to get out. Yep, gotta get out of this trade.
Stop filled.
All right, down to 400 now with that. That really wiped out a lot of my winnings so far. Had a nice move, and then it started acting. When you see it acting erratically, be careful. Something's gonna happen. And
Order
the 5
filled.
minute has a buy signal. I was looking at the 1 minute, trading on the one. The 5 will have the bigger move, but you will have to be more patient on the 5. See if I can make my money back. But make sure you're not revenge trading to get your money back. This is a clear signal coming off of the blue line down there, headed up to the high. So there's a good chance that it could work out for me. So we have 30 seconds left till the open of New York. We already have a buy signal and we're already in the trade. So let's stay in it. Already have a signal, two signals. So let's see if we have an up move this morning. Lock it in quick because they can go against you at the blink of an eye. So it basically told you I'm going to be going up at the open. I keep trying to tell you guys. I mean, how many times have I shown the opening candle with a signal on or before it that works out? I think I've shown quite a few. And then that's it. And then you're done for the day. Here is the arrow, right? And here's a breakout. Here's the opening candle. There's really not a lot more enjoyable than catching these moves. So I can be literally done for the day right after this. If you like this sort of thing, you want to learn how to do this, leave me a comment, like, and subscribe. Could get stopped out here. Check the link in the descriptions for a free trial of AltiQuant. It is not Ultimate AI Pro. I'll be done after this trade, and I'm going to go do some 0DTE options. And if you're new to options and want to learn, I have a course for 10 bucks. Shoot me a text message, I'll show you how.
Stop
All
filled.
right, there you go. We are 3,666 this morning. Been trading for 20 minutes or so. Nice opening move here. Nice signal before the opening move. And I may be done for the day and go do some of my zero data expiration options, which I am now revealing my secrets. If you want to check out the website, there's probably some info in there. Website will be right here. You can text message me. The website does have a frequently asked questions page, so you can get a lot of your questions answered there. I do get like 100 text messages an hour, so please be patient.